Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video I will share you my premium shirts design ideas. So I hope you are enjoying my videos. So friends, let's start today video. So friends, my first idea is weavers. Macrame is a traditional art of creating decorative design by tying a knot with cords or rope. When this beautiful craft is combined with lighting, it creates a warm, cozy and artist piece for the home. And weavers, a macrame lampshade is not just a light cover, it is a piece of handmade art that adds texture, softness, and personality to any room. So weavers, friends, a lampshade has an important role in home decoration. It controls the light, creative atmosphere, and add the style to a room. A simple light can become something special when covered with a handmade macrame design. The natural texture of a cotton drop creates beautiful shadow when the light shines through the knot. These patterns make the room feel peaceful, relaxing, and inviting. And weavers, macrame design lampshades are popular because they match many different styles. They look beautiful in boho style home, modern apartment, farmhouse decoration, and weavers. Friends, and the natural color of macrame, such as white cream, create a glam and elegant feeling. And friends, so I hope you are happy and well. I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates. So viewers, Allah Hafiz. See you in the